Alright, what's going on YouTube? ZX Predator here. Shout out to Brock's Performance once again, using another piece of performance tech on Zeus. So right now my bike is down because my brother-in-law discovered while we did the last video, the ride along, the brake switch was jacked up, and it's a Brembo piece, so I'm waiting for it. So I'm not gonna ride it like that, kind of a safety hazard. So I can kind of bypass it, and with the way I ride, I do front to rear, but I need my brake light to pop up, but that'll probably be in another video once I get it. But jumping onto this, actually, I need to take this off because I literally just got back from work. But I went ahead and shout out to Mike Joseph. He actually put me on the path a while back. Mike, you probably don't remember this.
Yes!
But, getting prepared for next season, some dyno shootouts, so on and so forth. I may have to get the bike retuned because our good buddy at Gold Motors, there's been some changes, a lot of things with EPA and so on and so forth. So I have to find another tuner who will be able to take care of my ECU tuning. I'm trying to stay away from power commanders right now, but I have somebody in mind, maybe. But with that being said, I went ahead and got the more expensive version, and this was, I had put this order in a while ago and it just popped up, but I'm going with the Sprint Filter E85. So let me drop this. I got more Brock stickers than I know what to do with. But how do I get in here without tearing up the box? Alright, so from the top. Now, what I'm going to do after you see this video, I'm going to show you another video of me doing my BMC race filter. Man, the oil and all that. I've been sitting on that episode for a while. But yeah, there's a reason that I went with this, because it's oil free when it comes to the maintenance. So I can show you, this is the old school filter that I had. It looked like a hot mess, so this one's getting thrown out. That got swapped out with the BMC that's in the bike, and then this is now the Sprint filter that's doesn't require oil for maintenance. You can just blow it out and you're good to go. So as you can see, here's my Sprint filter. Just making sure, taking a good inspection of this thing. I will go ahead and, like you see the logo, all that good stuff. That's going in Zeus, probably like ASAP. And again, I want to get everything tuned because I have so many Brock's products on this bike. I wish that my riding level was up to par in terms of doing smackdowns and stuff. But there's a huge project that, if all goes well, this will definitely have been worth it. So that's my unboxing for the Sprint filter. I'll have a link in the description below. If you go and purchase some stuff, tell Brox you saw this on the channel. But make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. And this is ZX Predator, my brother-in-law on the camera. We'll see you guys next time.